I did one eye already, so I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look. So let's get on with the eye look. I zoomed in for you, so I am going to go in with the palette, the Zulu by Juvias Place, and I am really digging these colors that I used today. So these three here are the colors that I used for this eye look, and I put a little bit of glitter on there, so let's get on with the look. Okay, going in with the Morphe PK36, I am going to be picking up the yellow color in the palette. One thing I forgot to do is put on tape. Okay, now that we put the tape on and I remembered, you kind of want to go right above the crease as well and just blend that out. You want to put a generous amount of the yellow. Now going in with my Morphe R39, I'm going to pick up the color, this orange color here, and I'm going to apply that on my crease and on the outer corner part of my eye right here. Then I'm going to blend out those two colors with my Morphe E28. So don't worry, we're going to build this up even more, so we're going to do a little at a time just so that it doesn't become overwhelming at the beginning. Okay, so using the crease brush by IBI Beauty, this is a very small rounded tip brush that just really where you need it to get into. So we are going to be picking up this brown color here. I want to apply that on the outer part of my eye and then create kind of a wing alongside that tape. You want to do some upward brush strokes. Then you want to blend that out as well. Okay, so I received a palette by Candy for Beauty, and it is a very beautiful glitter palette, and I have been eyeing this for a long time since I started doing my Instagram and my YouTube, and I just want to show you how beautiful these glitters are. They're right here and they're just stunning, beautiful glitters, and I am just having so much fun with it. So I am going to put a little glitter on my lid today. So I am going in with this beautiful gold yellowish color here, and I'm just going to apply a tad bit, just a little bit on the inner part of my lid, and I'm using my finger just because the brushes is just not going to do it justice, so with the finger you get more payoff there. So just a little bit, and you want to add just a tiny bit at a time, and then you just want to build it up. I hope you could see this because this is a very beautiful glitter. Then I'm going to use the Essence Dip Liner in the color black, and I'm going to apply that. I'll be using the Essence Dip Liner in black for my eyeliner. Okay, so there is my eyeliner. I'm going to put my falsies on, so I'll be right back. Then I'll be taking the Vasanti Waterline Eyeliner Intense Black, and I'm just going to apply some of that, I don't even know what you would call it, in this area, I guess. You just want to darken it in that area. Now I got to figure out whether, now I have to figure out what colors I'm going to use for my bottom lash line. So I think I'm going to go in with the black liner and then just put some of the orange in there and just smoke it out. Okay, now I'm going to put the black liner on my waterline. Taking the Crease IBY brush, I'm going to be picking up some of that orange color, and I'm going to apply that on the bottom part and blend that out with the black liner that I just applied. Okay, I'm not too sure. I think I need to deepen it just a little bit. Yeah, I think I need to deepen it just a little. So I'm going to go in with that brown color from the Juvias Place palette. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I like this. Okay, so now I'm going to put some mascara, so I'll be right back. Now going in with my Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light Sand, I'm just going to apply some concealer underneath here. Now going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm going to put some of that powder underneath my eye. And while I have it out, I'm just going to apply some alongside my jawline so that I can carve out my contour. I forgot to put a little bit of concealer on my nose. I just need to add a couple and just blend that out. Now I'm going to go in with my contour. I'll be using the Coastal Scents Sun Tones bronzer in the color Medium. So I love this bronzer, and it's a very beautiful warm tone. I'm not into the cool tone so much just because I am more bronzy in skin color. So I really am liking this. I've been using it every day and very impressed by the pigmentation, as you can see. Beautiful bronzer. And just going to apply leftover product on my brush that was left on my brush, and I'm just going to apply some of that around my forehead. Okay, so now I'll be going in with the Butte Basics, which I got in the BoxyCharm, and I am really liking this. As you can see in my videos, I have been using it over and over. So I'll be taking the Morphe RG8. I'm just gonna apply some on my cheeks here. It's just a beautiful color. I just love this bronzer. I do want to add some color to my cheeks just because, you know, I have this beautiful orange and yellow eye look. So let's see what I can come up with. Okay, so I think we are good here so far. I'm going to apply my hair. Now I am going to be going in with my Sleek Solstice highlighter, and I want to use, I think I'll be using this color here, and I'll be using my highlighter brush. You know, this highlighter never fails me, I'm telling you. Just never fails. Do you see that? I like it. Put some here, down the bridge of my nose. Okay, and then some here on my chin. Okay, perfect. Might be a little too much, but I'm okay with that. Okay, so to really blend, to really give that extra coverage, I am going to end with my Cargo HD powder and my e.l.f. Blending brush. I'm just gonna apply some of that. It kind of knocks off some of the excess light highlighter and anything that is just showing up a little too much. And I love this powder just because it gives you that extra coverage, and it's just beautiful. beautiful, beautiful formula, and I love it. Okay, so I want to go in with the Urban Decay Vice liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Cruel. It's got this burnt orange look that will really go with the eye look, so that's what I'm going to apply. I'm not going to put any lip liner just because I don't have any burnt orange lip liner or something that will go with this. So I'm just going to apply it directly on there without any lip liner. So this is the completed look, and I hope you like it because I really had a lot of fun creating this look for you. I am just feeling super, super glam, and I'm really liking it, if you can see here. So if you really enjoyed this video like I did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to do that, please. And if you haven't subscribed already, please slap that subscribe button. And I hope to see you on the next video. And if there's something that you want to see for me to create, please comment down below. I would love to create something specially for you. So we'll see you on the next video. See you later. Ciao.